Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to set up a cute Notion easy guide. Open a new page, pick a soft palette, and choose playful icons to set the tone. Add a main dashboard with links to notes, tasks, and a habit tracker for quick access. Use columns and toggles to keep content tidy and approachable. Keep headings consistent and add small images to make the space feel warm and personal. Pick a template that matches your workflow and strip out any extra sections you won't use. Swap in pastel accents, rounded icons, and soft dividers to create a cohesive vibe. Keep font choices to one header and one body style to stay tidy. Resize columns and move blocks until navigation feels natural, then duplicate the page as a reusable starter for future projects. Widgets can add charm without taking over your workspace, so pick one or two that matter to you. Arrange content in columns and use toggles to hide long lists while keeping key info visible. Embed small images for accents and avoid large visuals that disrupt flow. Test the layout on mobile to ensure buttons and links stay accessible, and the cute design translates well across devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.